In the previous slide, we had discussed what are polygons, different types of polygons you saw. Now we'll come to the basic polygon which you're going to learn, that is quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon made up of four sides. I'll draw and show it to you, so we can draw that. A polygon made of four sides. So let us take 4 points. One, one, another one, and turn it back. So this particular polygon made up of four line segment is called a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral can have different shapes. This is a particular example. It is a example of a trapezium. I can make it a parallelogram. Then it can be a parallelogram, or it can be a rectangle also. How does a rectangle look like? This is a rectangle. Then we can also try and make it a square. This way, if I pull it here, this is a square. A square is also a quadrilateral. So even of course a rhombus. I forgot a rhombus. So this is a square. Now if I talk about a rhombus, this is jumping over. So let us talk about a rhombus. I'll pull this side over there. So this becomes a rhombus. Rhombus is also quadrilateral. So this particular polygon made of four sides is called, the general name is given as quadrilateral. So different types of quadrilateral are trapezium. You have a kite also, in fact. I can draw a kite and show you how does a kite look like. A kite is also quadrilateral made up of 4 points. Looks somewhat like this. In fact, here the points. I bring it over here. This point here. It's not exactly a kite. A kite is like this. This is a example of a kite. Then I told you how does a trapezium look like. It's a trapezium. Bring it this side. It is like this is a parallelogram, and this one is a rectangle here. Okay, then I told you what a square was. This is a square, and then if I move it this way, the side alone. The side. Anyway, I showed you what a rhombus was also. If I could move the side along, side here this way, this becomes a rhombus. This is a kite. So these are the different types of quadrilateral. Now, one very important thing about this type of quadrilateral is that this is a convex quadrilateral. In a convex quadrilateral, the diagonals of the quadrilateral will always lie inside the quadrilateral itself. I am drawing this diagonal 1, it's the diagonal 2. These both diagonals lie inside the quadrilateral. Here also, if I draw the diagonals, this is one diagonal, this is the other diagonal. Now, what is a diagonal? Diagonal is a straight line or line segment joining the non-adjacent vertices. जो vertices आजू बाजू नहीं है, ठीक है, उनको ज्वाइन करने वाला, ए एंड बी को ज्वाइन करने वाला तो डायगोनल नहीं है, ए एंड सी को ज्वाइन करने वाला, बी एंड डी को ज्वाइन करने वाले लाइंस को डायगोनल्स कहते हैं। तो कॉन्वेक्स क्वाड्रिलैटरल में जो डायगोनल्स होते हैं वो आपके क्वाड्रिलैटरल के अंदर होते हैं, जैसे ये, ठीक है। सो ना तो कॉन्वेक्स क्वाड्रिलैटरल बोला तो एक और क्वाड्रिलैटरल होता होगा, वो है एक कॉन्केव क्वाड्रिलैटरल। Concave quadrilateral कैसे होता होगा? It is also made up of four sides. Quadrilateral at the four sides हैं. So I'll show you how does a concave quadrilateral look like. It will be, show you. Again, let us make it with 4 points. So here, let us first make a normal quadrilateral, and then I'll show you what a quadrilateral exactly look like. So if I pull this point inside, suppose I put it like this. This is a concave quadrilateral. इससे भी मैं कर सकती हूँ। ये है आपका concave quadrilateral. अब अगर ध्यान से देखेंगे ये कॉन्वेक्स है, अंदर लेके आए हैं इस तरीके से, ये कॉन्केव हो गया। तो क्या डिफरेंस है इन टर्म्स ऑफ डायगोनल्स? आप बहुत जल्दी बता सकते हैं कॉन्केव एंड कॉन्वेक्स क्वाड्रिलैटरल क्या होता है। अगर आपका कॉन्वेक्स है तो दोनों डायगोनल्स इस क्वाड्रिलैटरल के अंदर ही होता है। अगर कॉन्केव है, ये कॉन्केव क्वाड्रिलैटरल क्यों है? क्योंकि इसमें से जो एक डायगोनल है बी डी, अब इस क्वाड्रिलैटरल तो ये है आपका ए बी सी डी, उसके बाहर लाएगा और दूसरा अंदर। तो किसी भी कॉन्केव क्वाड्रिलैटरल का यही पहचान है, उसका एक डायगोनल, एक ना एक डायगोनल तो बाहर लेके आएगा। ठीक है, so this is a concave quadrilateral and this is a convex quadrilateral. Is this clear to you? I think this should be clear. This particular slide is a quick recap of what we studied in the previous slide, convex and concave quadrilateral. This is a convex quadrilateral, both the diagonals are lying inside the quadrilateral. Now if I show a concave quadrilateral, diagonal 1 is inside but diagonal 2 lies outside. So I think it is quite clear to you what is a concave and a convex quadrilateral. And what is a diagonal? That is also very important. It is a line segment joining two non-consecutive vertices of any polygon. That is the diagonal of the polygon. In a quadrilateral, there are two diagonals. Remember that. A quadrilateral has got two diagonals. Okay. Now, although we have studied about the concave and convex quadrilateral, I did not discuss what are the basic properties of a quadrilateral. About the sides and angles, I have to tell about that. So let us draw a quadrilateral again. Okay. So a quadrilateral, again I'm repeating, is a polygon with four sides. So I'm drawing a polygon with four sides. So I have a quadrilateral here. So it's very clear from this figure, it's a polygon is a quadrilateral made up of four sides. So a quadrilateral has got four sides, AB, BC, CD and AD. And of course it has got four angles also. So if I want to show the angles, I can show the angles here. So the angles are angle BAB. This is one angle. The next angle is ABC. Then the next angle is BCD. And the last angle over here is CD and A. So there are four angles in this quadrilateral. It has got four sides. So I can also say it has got four vertices A, B, C, D. So this is a quadrilateral, a polygon with four sides and four angles and of course four vertices.